Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is a picture from the outlaw Josey Wales when him and Blue Bear finally came to a truce and they cut their hands and became blood brothers. Well, my best friend growing up was named Larry. We loved Westerns. And we'd both seen this, talked about it, when nothing else would do but for us to become blood brothers. Now, we didn't want to cut our hands, so we got a needle and pricked our thumbs. And I don't know what happened on mine, but my thumb got infected. And I had to look after it. Couldn't tell my mom what I'd done. Because I got my finger cut one time on a knife I probably shouldn't have had, and it went to the bone. And I looked after it myself, and fortunately, I have full use of that finger today. Matter of fact, it's my left index finger, and it's a very excellent finger for my left nostril. But we loved Westerns back then. Pretty much we'd mimic them or either play out scenes and stuff from them as young boys. But this was a favorite movie of mine. And if you hadn't seen it, you may want to see if you can find it and watch it. Very good. It's got Sandra Locke in it and several other actors that eventually went on to have larger careers. But thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.